Hello, today we're talking about decluttering our underwear drawer. Have you done that in a while? Well, if you do, you're going to feel so much more feminine because you won't have ratty things balled up in there. Take a moment to fold your underwear. Take a moment to stack your bras nicely. Take a moment to put the few socks that you have in there. And if you need something else, some other foundational garment, make sure those are all tidy in your drawer. Get rid of those ragtag garments that aren't doing your body any good. And when you're done with that drawer, you can move to your pajama drawer and go through your pajamas. Do you have presentable pajamas? My friend Jennifer L. Scott from The Daily Connoisseur does a great video on presentable lingerie and pajamas. And I would suggest that you go through your pajamas and pick out what's really comfortable. It's not scratchy, it's not too tight, it's not too big, it's not your husband's t-shirts, ladies. It's something pretty, something feminine that makes you feel nice. And that's what you want to focus on. If you don't have any, buy a set or two and put them in your drawer. You don't have to spend a fortune. They just need to be comfortable and cute, okay? All right, have a wonderful day.